Abstraction explained. Beginner level. Introduction. In object-oriented programming, OOP, large and complex programs are organized using classes and objects to manage complexity and make programs easier to use. Programmers apply several important principles. One of the most important principles is abstraction. Abstraction allows programmers to hide complex implementation details and show only the essential features of an object. It is one of the four main principles of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Abstraction helps developers focus on what an object is instead of how it works internally. What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding internal implementation details and showing only the necessary functionality to the user. In simple words, abstraction equals showing only important features and hiding the complex details. Users interact with an object without knowing how the internal logic works. Simple example. Think about using a TV remote control. You press buttons like power, volume, channel. You do not know how the electronics inside the TV work. You only use the simple interface. This is abstraction. The complex internal operations are hidden from the user. Example without abstraction. Imagine a car where the driver must manually control every internal process. Fuel injection, engine temperature, air intake, ignition timing. Driving would become extremely complicated. Without abstraction, users would need to understand every internal detail. Example with abstraction. Modern cars provide a simple interface: steering wheel, accelerator, brake pedal. The driver simply uses these controls, while the complex engine system works in the background. Similarly, in programming, we expose only simple methods, while hiding internal logic. Abstraction in Python. Python provides abstraction using abstract classes and abstract methods. These are available through the ABC module. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly and is meant to be inherited by other classes. Example of abstraction. Example. From ABC import ABC. Abstract method. Class shape. ABC. Add abstract method. Def area. Self. Pass. Class rectangle. Shape. Def __ init __ self. Width. Height. Self. Width equals width. Self. Height equals height. Def area. Self. Return self. Width * self. Height. Class circle. Shape. Def __ init __ self. Radius. Self. Radius equals radius. Def area. Self. Return 3.14 * self. Radius * self. Radius. Rect equals rectangle. 5. 4. Circle equals circle. 3. Print. Rect. Area. Print. Circle. Area. Output. 20. 28.26. Explanation. Shape is an abstract class. Area is an abstract method. Child classes must implement the method. The user only calls area. They do not need to know how the calculation is implemented internally. Abstract class. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly, contains abstract methods, is designed to be inherited by other classes. Example. Class shape. ABC. Abstract method. An abstract method is a method that is declared but not implemented. Must be implemented by child classes. Example. Add abstract method. Def area. Self. Pass. Child classes must provide their own implementation. Real-life analogy. Think about ATM machines. You perform actions like withdraw money, check balance, deposit money. You do not see bank database operations, transaction processing, authentication systems, The system hides complex processes and gives you a simple interface. This is abstraction. Advantages of abstraction. Checkmark reduces program complexity. Checkmark hides unnecessary details. Checkmark improves code readability. Checkmark improves maintainability. Checkmark allows programmers to focus on high-level design. Abstraction makes large software systems easier to design and manage. Disadvantages. Crossmark requires careful planning of class design. Crossmark adds extra structure in small programs. However, in large systems, abstraction is extremely valuable. Where abstraction is used. Abstraction is used in many real-world systems. Operating systems, banking systems, mobile apps, web frameworks, game engines. Example classes. Shape means circle, rectangle. Vehicle means car, bike. Payment means credit card, PayPal. Each class implements details differently, while the user interacts with the same interface. Simple definition. Abstraction. The process of hiding internal implementation details and exposing only the necessary functionality. Final summary. Abstraction allows programmers to checkmark hide complex implementation details. Checkmark expose simple interfaces to users. Checkmark reduce program complexity. Checkmark build scalable and maintainable software. Without abstraction, programs become complex and difficult to use. With abstraction, programs become clean, structured, and easy to understand.